Welcome to the ultimate showdown of 2025. Today, we're diving into two giants of the gaming world, Call of Duty and Pubg. How have these titles shaped the industry? Let's break down the gameplay mechanics. Call of Duty offers fast-paced action, while Pubg emphasizes strategy and survival. Each game has its own unique charm. Graphics can make or break an experience. In 2025, Call of Duty dazzles with hyper-realistic visuals, while Pubg maintains its gritty charm. Which visual style speaks to you? The world design is crucial. Call of Duty provides intricate maps for chaotic gameplay, while Pubg excels with its vast open world for strategic play. From intense battle royals to fast-paced multiplayer matches, both titles boast a plethora of game modes. There's something for everyone. Community plays a significant role in gaming. Let's examine how players engage and connect in both titles. Who's winning the hearts? Regular updates are essential in keeping the players invested. How do these two franchises stack up in terms of content and support? The esports scene is alive and thriving. Which game has a more vibrant competitive atmosphere? Let's find out. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of each game? Let's summarize the key takeaways before we make our final call. In conclusion, which game takes the crown in 2025? It's all about personal preferences. What gaming experience suits your style?